If you're thinking about building a website, Strikingly might have caught your eye. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just another drag-and-drop builder. The surprising truth is that Strikingly is designed specifically for simple, single-page websites, which makes it great for portfolios, small businesses, and personal projects, but less ideal for complex sites. Strikingly's main appeal is simplicity. You can choose from pre-designed templates, customize colors, fonts, and images, and launch a site within hours. The editor is intuitive and beginner-friendly, requiring no coding knowledge. There's also built-in mobile optimization, so your site looks great on any device. One of the standout features is the one-click publishing and free hosting. You can get a functional website live without worrying about servers or domain setup. The free plan includes a Strikingly subdomain, while paid plans allow custom domains and additional features like email marketing, analytics, and e-commerce capabilities. E-commerce functionality is somewhat limited compared to Shopify or Wix. You can sell products, but it's best for small catalogs rather than large online stores. Blog functionality is also basic, so if content marketing is a priority, other platforms may be more suitable. Pricing starts with a free plan, with premium plans ranging from $12 to $49 per month, depending on features. For simple, single-page sites or portfolios, Strikingly is very affordable and efficient. In conclusion, Strikingly is perfect for individuals or small businesses looking for a simple, fast, and visually appealing website. If you need a complex site with extensive e-commerce or blogging features, you may need a more robust platform. If this review helped you understand whether Strikingly fits your website needs, subscribe for more website builder reviews, design tips, and step-by-step guides to launch your online presence efficiently.